Hey guys, how's it going? It's TCG here, and as you guys can actually see, it is the last week of where is it? Yeah, so it is the last week of retro star plans, and I am trying to get some tokens. So I have actually mustered up 150k, so we can actually go and open a pack. So let's go to the store. Now let's go to retro stars pack. So we'll open up one. And let's see what we can get from this. Okay, so yeah, I've literally spent every penny I have on this, so let's go. What we get? Players, talent token. Okay, you get a lot of gold players from this. Okay, alright, carnival token, Patrick's Day. There you go. That's fame token. Oh, that's a fame token. Okay. Alright, talent token, Fletcher, throwback, talent token again, MLS Cup, Ward, talent token. There's a lot of talent tokens. So let's reveal all Lunar New Year token, and yeah, we get so it was a pretty decent pack. We actually pulled the fame token, which is pretty cool. So yeah, now I don't have any money, and let's see what we can actually do with this. So, go to plans. Let's go leveling. No wait, events. Let's go to Dybala here. That's what I'm actually trying to complete. And there you go, 75. Okay, so you need a lot more for that. So I will possibly try and complete this guy. Where is he? I'll try to complete Danny Ceballos, because I guess that is the better deal. Like, you just need a little bit for him, and I'll try and go sell out the Lunar New Year one. So yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed this video, and peace.